Let's try out this intelligent tutoring system. First, we'll see three relations, each with its definition, example sentences, and conjunction phrases. Conjunction phrases means the connectives that can naturally conjoin two sentences in this relation, and a group which it roughly falls into. Since there are 20 to 30 RST relations, we divided them into roughly 6 groups, depending on the nature of the RST relation, and the definition is shown here. So which group it falls into. And then you'll be tasked with choosing the relation for this sentence pair here. But instead of being asked to choose directly the relation, you will be scaffolded with several steps, each step roughly correlated with one skill, shown here in the skill bar. Now let's take a try of this task. So it says people's lives have been greatly transformed by mobile phones. Cell phone brings a lot of changes to every aspect of human's life. So we can sort of see it's like a restatement kind of relationship. Let's try to solve the problem step by step. So which one class or group do you think this relation will likely fall into? Here are the 6 groups. We see it's sort of like repeating, right? But maybe we can choose a wrong answer for now. So it will prompt you with a red hello showing that it is wrong. Repeating and then it's right. So what conjunction phrase can best connect two parts? If we know that it's repeating, then we know the connectives best used here should be this is basically saying, or in other words. And you can see that the skill of this determined conjunction was increased by your correctly choosing the answer. So is this a nucleus-nucleus relation or nucleus-satellite one? If they are repeating, which should it be? Well, it's kind of tricky because the restatement has a multinuclear one and a nucleus-satellite one. Let's choose nucleus-satellite because we see it's sort of moving in progress. And now, what is the relation between these two sentences? So now you know it is restatement. And you see your skill was increased again. So this is a demo of the RST tutoring system, and you can use this to learn about 20 or so RST relations in this kind of example and skills principles, and make use of the mastery learning principle, and we'll try to make sure that you get mastery on each skills here while learning it in a more engaging way than reading academic papers. Thank you. And now you have finished with one problem, and if you click done, it will take you to the next problem, and this will be based on your current mastery, and it will choose the examples or tasks that the tutoring system think you still haven't mastered yet. Thank you for watching the demo.